Juice Labs, GPU Virtualization, Simplified. Here's the challenge. You need to enable 50 GIS researchers with GPU-accelerated workstations. Traditional approach? That's $500,000 in hardware. There's a better way. In this demo, we're connecting a Windows EC2 instance running ArcGIS Pro on AWS to a remote Linux T4 GPU, delivering smooth performance for a fraction of the cost. Getting started with Juice is incredibly simple. Once standard NVIDIA drivers are installed on your client machine, just launch the Juice desktop app. We also have a full-featured CLI option too. From here, you can see all available GPUs in your pool, whether they're hosted in a public cloud like AWS, in your own private data center, or even on a GPU workstation. Select the GPU you need, click Connect, and you're ready to go. That's it. No complex configuration, no specialized networking equipment, no need to modify your application or additional licenses, just instant access to remote GPU power. Now let's see it in action. We're launching ArcGIS Pro, a demanding GIS application that requires serious graphics horsepower. We're loading a complex 3D scene of central Wellington, New Zealand, the kind of dataset that would typically require a local high-end GPU workstation. Notice the smooth navigation as we rotate and zoom through this detailed 3D environment. We're panning across the cityscape, exploring building details, adjusting angles, all in real time with smooth performance. The GPU attached remotely via Juice is delivering a responsive experience even without a native GPU. Your researchers can work from anywhere, from lightweight laptops, EC2 instances, or thin clients, while accessing the GPU power they need exactly when they need it. Behind the scenes, Juice provides complete visibility into your GPU infrastructure. Our telemetry dashboard shows you're connecting to a Linux-based GPU host, key metrics in real time, GPU utilization showing exactly how much of the GPU's compute power is being used, network latency measuring the responsiveness of your connection, bandwidth consumption, and GPU power utilization for cost and energy monitoring. And this is just a small sample. Juice provides comprehensive metrics on both the client and agent side, giving you full observability into your GPU infrastructure. Ready to transform your GPU infrastructure? Visit juicelabs.co to learn more and request a demo. Thank you very much for your attention, and we look forward to working with you.